Hey creators! If you work with moving visuals, animations, or video content, I want to show you a feature that upped my workflow. It's a handy panel that gives you full control and visibility for when and how objects will move and how slides will progress from one to the next. Let me walk you through what it does and how you can use it to help you on your next animated project. So what is it? The animation timeline is essentially a timeline view of your project. You can see all your slides in order in the main animation view, how long each lasts, when each starts, and in what order they appear. You can drag and reorder slides, lengthen or shorten durations. Then you can dive into a slide view and animate individual objects and audio within each slide. It brings everything together in one place, giving you an overhead view for how your project and animations will progress over time, making it much easier and faster to line up everything perfectly. With a timeline, you see everything. For example, you sync text to appear exactly when your voiceover starts. Fade out a graphic just as another image comes up. Adjust the whole slide's duration so your audience isn't waiting or the scene doesn't rush by. You can apply background music to the whole project within the main timeline view, and then add voiceover or other audio files to the individual slides by recording them right in Visme or applying an audio file you have saved to your audio library. I love using Visme's AI text-to-speech for my voiceovers. You should check it out. The timeline speeds up your production and completion, eliminates surprises, allows you to customize easily with the drag and drop interface. It makes your content creation smoother, especially when you're creating training videos, social posts, or on-demand demonstrations and client presentations. You name it. Recently, my team created a training and explainer resource for a new feature in the platform. We use the timeline to perfectly sync animations and objects with the voiceover instructions. So if you're using Visme and you haven't opened the animation timeline yet, give it a try on your next project.